How to increase or decrease the font size on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or near the latest Samsung S25 series. By default, set the font size on your Samsung device. Here you can see the default font size. To increase the font size or decrease the font size, open the app drawer and scroll down up to display setting on your phone. Here you can see the display. Tap on it. Now again scroll down. Here you can find the option font size and style. So tap on it to change the font size. Here you can change your S25 Ultra font style. Also a toggle on it to show the bold font. Here you can see the preview how it looks. So toggle on it or toggle off it. Now at the bottom you can see the font size. When you increase it, you can see the preview how it looks on your device. So let's we increase the size of font. Here you can increase the size up to this. You can also change your setting font style. So select the font size you want to use. Also decrease. This is the smallest font size. So adjust the font size you want to set on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.